In this video, I will talk about finding similar things in data, and I will use this fictional customer as an example. I see their name, birth year, and address. I have another list of customers, and I want to find overlaps between my list and that list. For the purpose of this video, I've highlighted the relevant rows in red. It shows some of the common ways that data may differ, from spelling variations to formatting to actual differences. To show how we deal with this in Convier, I will start out with the address, which has some issues. I will first put street number and street name into the same fields and give it a name that matches the one that we're already using. I also want to get rid of the abbreviations that's being used to make sure that the data is as normalized as possible before we do any comparisons. Once that's done, I will add the remaining relevant fields from this spreadsheet. I want to resolve my customers against this list, so I will create a connection between this customer type and the other one. Because I want to allow for some spelling variations, I will do so fuzzily, and I will do it on the names of the customers. Once this link has been created, I should see the same three customers that I saw in the spreadsheet here. I know that some of these matches are not particularly good, but I'll add a comparison chart to get a better view of the similarities and differences between these customers. I'll select what I want to compare on and also which fields I want to include, which in this case is all of them. Once the chart has been created, I will drag it to the top of the view and going back to the customer, and now get a better sense of the quality of the matches. So the first one looks pretty good. The second one seems to be a close relative based on the birth year, and the last one is in a different part of the country. So the last two are probably not good matches, and I want to get rid of them. I'll do this by adding criteria to the connection I created. These criteria can either be exact, for example, require the same exact birth year. They can also be approximate strings, for example, like approximately the same address. They can also be approximate numeric values, locations, and times. Once I've added these criteria, I'm left with one match, which seems to be the right amount of matches in this particular case. This logic is now used on all of my customers. As an example, I can go to a different fictional customer, Frank, and see a similar matching has been done there to find high quality matches. I can also include this type of matching in any kind of reporting I want to do on my entire customer base.